My name is Thomas and you are on my Lettercraft channel. Today I'm going to share my tips on how to apply TOKONOLE. First of all, what is TOKONOLE? It's probably the best edge burnishing agent for veg-tan leather. It binds leather fibers while giving it a high gloss effect. It's a water-based agent and it claims to be made of natural waxes, non-toxic, irritant-free, has no unpleasant smell. If you still haven't tried it, probably you should. How to make smooth edges with TOKONOLE, I made a video a while ago, check it here. Okay, now let's talk, as the video topic says, the ways to apply it. And when I use which way. When you just bought your first bottle of TOKONOLE, you can use your finger to apply it. As it's non-toxic, it does not irritate skin, at least for me. The problem with applying it by finger is that it spreads quite unevenly. I also use my fingers to hardly rub the TOKONOLE into the flesh side of leather on the pocket parts edges about 1 cm to flatten fluffy fibers. The way I use it the most and it most convenient for me is such a small bottles with needle applicators for a couple bucks from AliExpress. I'll leave the links in video description. This bottle spreads TOKONOLE evenly and even in a very small amount, or drops absolutely tiny amount of TOKONOLE. It's what actually needed. I use these bottle applicators for my glue as well. These bottles have a couple cons, but I hacked it and now it's totally perfect for both glue and TOKONOLE. I'll share these issues and hacks in another video next week. One more way to apply TOKONOLE using a refillable marker, but here you need to dilute TOKONOLE with water, as TOKONOLE is quite thick. I did 1 part of TOKONOLE to 1 part of water, still trying to figure out the best proportions. So if you use this method, it would be cool to hear your experience with proportion. To be honest, when I saw this method, I thought it would definitely will be the best way to apply TOKONOLE. But it has some cons, as the tip of the marker becomes dry and TOKONOLE does not penetrate well. As you can see, when you press the tip, TOKONOLE inside marker starts to spill on the sides of the tip. Usually I use marker in such way. I press it into the object and let it slightly soak, and then apply on the edge of craft. I mostly use it at the final stage of edge burnishing, when I need just a thin layer of TOKONOLE. And one more case you can use TOKONOLE is when veg-tan leather is a bit too soft for your project. Mostly it happens for me with veg-tan Pueblo leather. Some hides happen to be quite soft and fluffy on the flesh side. You can rub TOKONOLE onto the flesh side using a piece of glass. Unfortunately, I have broken mine, so I just use this plastic folder tool. When TOKONOLE dries, a piece of leather becomes a bit harder and easier to work with. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Hope some of these tips help you in your leather crafting. Bye and see you next time!